If you hate Jesus, then just keep scrolling. But if you love Jesus, then stick around and watch until the end. God message for you today. God is going to show out, not only to take you into your destiny, but to prove to the people around you that the Lord is on your side. He's about to do something so big, so unusual, so out of the ordinary, that there won't be any doubt that His favor is on your life. God says, you are going to be an example that anything is possible, and miracles really happen. Great blessings are about to enter into your life because you have believed for so long. You never gave up. You remained faithful. Your dedication, passion, and patience are about to pay off in a major way. Everything is about to make sense. You're about to turn the chapter. The hardest part is almost over, beautiful soul. It won't be like this much longer. His glory will shine through this darkness. You can donate a super thanks to support our channel. God heard your prayers. He can feel your pain. He knows that you are overwhelmed, exhausted, and worried about how everything is going to work out. God is saying to you tonight, trust me. I will get you through this season. I will fix what is broke. Rest in me. You're about to receive some good news. God is fixing your situation. You are coming into a new season of blessings. You're going to be notified that something has worked in your favor. Get ready for it. You may be tired, discouraged, and frustrated, but don't give up. I'm about to open some doors for you. Your situation is about to change. You're about to receive some good news. God is fixing your situation. You are coming into a new season of blessings. You're going to be notified that something has worked in your favor. Get ready for it. Afternoon reminder. God knows what He's doing. If He's asking you to wait, what He has in store is going to be bigger than what you have in mind. Type yes if you believe. God is about to make things happen that you could never make happen. He's going to turn that situation around without you having to fight the battle. The odds are for you. God is in control of your life. God is about to lift the curtain on some amazing things He's been working on behind the scenes for you. The stage is set for the big reveal. The same audience that watched you struggle is going to see you richly blessed. If you're in bed right now feeling discouraged, tired, and unsure if things will ever get better, God is saying to you tonight, rest, I am already at work. I will turn around every negative situation in your life, bless you and your family, and heal every place you are hurting. Share this video to your friend and family to claim it. Subscribe this channel for more blessing. Type yes to affirm.